Hi everyone, let us go with this question. In this question, they are saying the intensity of transmitted light when a polarized sheet placed between two cross polarized at 22.5 degree from the polarization axis of one of the polarized is, and they informed you I naught is the intensity of polarized light after passing through the first polarized. So let us make its diagram. So let us say it is the passing axis of the first polarized. Okay. Let us say now next it is the passing axis of the second polaroid. They told you they are cross polaroid. That's why I have made angle as 90 degree. Okay. Now when you are going to place polaroid sheet between them and they told you this polaroid sheet is making how much of angle from the first one? 22.5. Okay. So you'll say if this angle value will become equal to what? 22.5. So it is going to make how much angle with the another polaroid? You will say this angle will become what? 90 minus 22.5 degree. Okay. So once we are clear with this diagram, we can apply our law of Malus to get the answer. So how will you start? You will say, sir, I naught is the intensity of polarized light after passing through the first polaroid. So you can say now it is going to pass through what? It is going to pass through polarized sheet. After passing through this polarized sheet, again, it is going to pass through polaroid, another polaroid. So we have to apply it two times. So when you apply it first time over here, what you will say? I value will become equal to what? I naught into cos square 22.5. Now this is going to pass through another polaroid. So finally, intensity, let us say it is I dash, this value will become equal to what? We'll say it is the initial value. What is my initial value? I naught cos square 22.5 into cos square theta. Now what is the angle we are having this time? We'll say now this time angle will be what? 90 minus 22.5. So you can apply a little bit of mathematics. So cos 90 minus theta is called as sin theta. So it will become like what? You can say so this value will remain same. Cos square 22.5. Cos 90 minus theta will become sin theta. So it will become what? Sin square of 22.5. Now you can do one thing. Multiply and divide by 4. If you multiply and divide by 4, so it will look like what? I naught divide by 4. It will become what? 2 times of sin 22.5 cos 22.5 whole square. Now 2 sin theta cos theta is the formula of sin 2 theta. So it will become what? I naught divided by 4 sin 2 theta. So it will become what? Sin 45 square. Now you know the value of sin 45. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. When you do its square, it will become 1 by 2. Ultimately, what is the answer you're going to get over here? I naught divided by 8. According to this particular method, correct answer is our option number 1. Thank you. Hi everyone, let us go with this question. In this question, they are saying an unpolarized light beam traveling in air is incident on a medium of refractive index 1.73 at Brewster angle. Then what will happen? So to understand this question, let us see this diagram. It will give you some more sense of understanding. It is our incident light, that is our unpolarized. Reflected light will be which kind of light here? Polarized light. And reflected light, or you can say transmitted light, will be your what? Partially polarized. Now, it will happen in one special case. What is that special case? When angle between the reflected and refracted is equal to how much over here? 90 degree. Okay. Now you know about it. When we talk about reflection, angle of incidence and angle of reflection will be same. If it will be theta, this will also be theta. Now you know about it. Here we are having one straight line. One angle is how much? 90 degree. Sum of remaining two angle will be how much here? Also it is 90 degree. So this angle value will become equal to what here? You can say 90 minus theta. So angle of reflection will become equal to what here? 90 minus theta. So if you know about mu value, what you can say? You can say in this particular way, sin I divided by sin R. Now we know sin I, if I value is theta, so R value is equal to what here? 90 minus theta. So this 90 minus theta will become equal to what here? Cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta will become equal to what here? Tan theta. Now in the question they have given the mu value. Mu value they have given 1.73. So it is approximately it is a value of what? Under root 3. Under root 3 is equal to what? Tan theta. So if root 3 is equal to tan theta, it means what? Theta value will be equal to what? 60 degree. Okay. So you can go with the options and you can check which option is correct. So let us go with them one by one. So first option saying both reflected and transmitted light are perfectly polarized. No. Reflected will be polarized light. Refracted will be partially. Next, transmitted light is completely polarized. No. Next, reflected light is completely polarized and the angle of reflection is close to 60 degree. Yes, it seems to be the appropriate option. But let us check the fourth option also. Fourth option they are saying reflected light is partially polarized and angle of reflection due to is close to 30 degree. No, that is not correct. Just now we have done the calculation. So we are able to see angle value equal to how much over here? 60 degree. Thank you. Let us go with this question. In this question, they are saying if the monochromatic source in young double slit experiment is replaced by white light, then so what will happen? So you will say at center, path difference will be zero only, right? So what you are able to get at center, you will get one bright white fringe. But when you go upside or downside, so what will happen? Slowly, for different colors, their constructive interference will come into the picture. So you will be able to see over there few colored fringes because all the colors are having different wavelength. So corresponding to that, you will be able to see the bright fringe. Now let us go with the option. First, they're saying interference pattern will disappear. No, there will be a central dark fringe surrounded by a few colored fringe. You can say center will be bright. It will not be dark. Let's go to the next. There will be central bright white fringe surrounded by few colored fringes. So correct answer will be option number third. But let us see what they have given in the option number four. They are saying all bright fringes will be of equal width. No, all the constituents are having different wavelength. So their fringe width also be what? Different. Thank you. Let's go with this question. An unpolarized light beam strikes a glass surface at Brewster angle then. So what is the meaning of saying Brewster angle? It is a special case when incident unpolarized light will come in such a way that the angle between reflected light ray and refracted light ray will be how much? 90 degree. In this case, reflected light will be completely polarized and refracted will be partially polarized. Okay, let us go with the options. What is the correct option they have given? So they are saying the reflected light will be partially polarized. No. The reflected light will be completely polarized. No. Both reflected and refracted light will be completely polarized. No. The reflected light will be completely polarized, but refracted light will be partially polarized. So it is the best suitable answer for this question. Now let's go with this question. They are saying for young double slit experiment, two statements are given below. If a screen is moved away from the plane of slit, angular separation of fringes remain constant. Yes. When you see the formula, it is the formula for what? Angular separation. What is the formula we are having here? Lambda divided by small d. Means what? It is independent of the distance between the slits and the screen. So according to this, correct, statement 1 is correct. Let us go to the second statement. If the monochromatic source is replaced by another monochromatic source of larger wavelength, then angular separation of the fringe decrease. No. When you see this particular part, you are able to see angular separation is directly proportional to lambda. Means what will happen over here? So you will say in this particular way, if lambda will increase, implies theta value will also increase. So according to this, second statement is incorrect. So now let us see what is the correct answer for this question. So they are saying both the statement 1 and 2 are false. No. Statement 1 is true, but second is false. Yes, it is the most suitable for this particular question. So correct answer will be option 2. Thank you.